Wiki encyclopedia. Right here is the index page. It shows a listing of the names for all the pages as well as their actual links to them. So if I click on CSS, this is the information on it. Here is a hyperlink to HTML page, which if I click on that, that will bring me to this page. I go back to the home page. I just also try to click on Python, for example. Also, you can see that this shows in bold, and the styling for this font is actually reflected. Now, another functionality it has is the search ability. So if I click here and type Python, for example, I should be brought to the Python page. Now if I were to type something that's not in here, so fish, for example, it'll say it wasn't, no matches found. Now let's try one more. So I do have several listings that have the letter O. So I'm just gonna type O in here, and that should return all results that have that. So clicking on Django, for example, will bring me to that page. Okay. Now, if there is something that you would like to create that's not currently in here, if you click on Create New Page, you enter title, let's say fish, for example, and then for that, I'm just gonna say fish, something that swims. Just some simple definition. Okay, and when I click save, I'm brought to the page that was just created. So it's actually I'm gonna have to restart the server for you to be able to see that it shows on here. So let me just do that real quick. Okay, so when I refresh the page, now after restarting the server, you can see the fish page on here, which is the page that I had just created. Now, if there's something that I want to add or edit, actually, so if I click on dog, for now I just have, it has 4 legs and fur. I'm gonna add man's best friend in here. And when I click save, the new page reflects what should be. Let me just edit that real quick. Here you go, and save. Alright, so that's what I wanted to show for now. Okay. Now on another ability that it has is the random page ability. So when I click on that, it should show me any random page. Okay. Alright. So the last thing is that Markdown to HTML conversion. So each of these pages actually take Markdown. And as you can see, when I go to the actual page, it is showing it in HTML. All right, thank you.